inventors. Last week was heavy. We learned that Jesus paid the ultimate price, and it took his life to fix our brokenness. But the bill has been paid, and the warning gear is gone.
But Mechanic Samara, the designer, is gone. He died paying the bill. I am happy my gears are clean, but I am sad that Jesus is deactivated.
I know that it looked like the end of this story there. On that day when Jesus died, everything went dark. It looked like death had won.
Death is a serious system error. There is no reboot from death.
Usually you're right, but remember, Jesus isn't just a mechanic. He's the maker, and the maker has power over everything, even death.
What are you saying?
I'm saying you can't keep the creator in the grave. Look what the blueprint says here in 1 Corinthians 15, 3-4. Christ died for our sins. He was buried, and he was raised on the third day according to the scriptures.
Wait, raised? Like he woke up or he rebooted?
It was way bigger than a reboot, Gadget. We call it resurrection.
Resurrection?
That's it. Resurrection means coming back to life after death and never dying again. Jesus didn't just wake up, he defeated death forever. The ground shook, the stone rolled away, and Jesus took a breath. And he's alive right now.
He is alive! The designer is online! This changes everything.
It really does. Because he lives, we know that our life machine will run forever too. We need the resurrection gear to give us full power. Inventors, this is the victory shout. Say the big idea with us. Jesus powered up and is alive forever.
Jesus powered up and is alive forever.
One more time. Jesus powered up
and is alive forever.
I'm initiating the resurrection protocol. Let's power things up. Here we go.
Whoa! Maximum power levels detected. It is beautiful.
That's the power of the resurrection. The machine isn't just fixed, it's alive.
And it will never stop?
Because Jesus lives forever, we have hope forever. Inventors, we finally have a working machine. But now that we have all this power, what do you think we're supposed to do with it? Come back next week to find out. Well, that's all we have today. Remember, inventors, trust the blueprint.
And keep your gears spinning.